if you paid attention to my last video, I gave you guys the biggest psychological level to be trading at for SPY, and that was 500. What is going on, traders? I hope you guys crushed it today. The Discord on Friday, I don't even got to tell you, right? All you got to do is look at this red arrow. This is where puts were alerted. As soon as we broke through 500, we gapped down. We came back up to 500. We had 500 puts. These things ended up going 600%. Do take that in. You would have 6 to 7x your money following the trades that we gave you for free on the Discord. Obviously, I did not end up holding for that entire move. You're stupid if you are. We buy the top, we buy the best level possible, and we sell the move. Big shout out to Amber. She's the one that got in that with me. Gundy, Dimitri were also in these Pimp Daddy. Every single one, every person was in this, guys. It was a massive psychological level. It was a great level, double top to be shorting at. We ended up taking it, and the rest is history. I'm not even going to be going over any other trades we ended up taking because we shorted the high of day. We shorted the best level. Why did SPY start selling off? I'm going to show you right now, right? We broke through our key level, 499.50, came back up to retest it, sold off. Came right back, broke through 499, came back to retest, big sell-off. Came back up 499, retest, big sell-off. We were making a roof at the previous support. Look at this. This is the 5-minute time frame with the pre-market. This was the main support of yesterday and ended up being the main support in the morning. We broke through that support. This big support of 499. We came back up to retest, instant sell-off. Came right back up to retest, instant sell-off. We're making a roof at 499. This is the reason why we sold off, right? And then what's another confirmation of SPY dropping? How do you know SPY is going to drop? Easy. Our next key level, 498. We created a floor here, came back up, rejected, made a roof at the previous floor, right? The previous floor turned into a resistance. That's why we had that massive downside potential. And if you haven't noticed, SPY is making lower highs and lower lows all week. Lower highs, lower lows. SPY, as of right now, is extremely bearish. But let's look at Bitcoin. This is what I usually do on Sundays to dictate my trades for Monday. Bitcoin is holding very strong at the moment. Very, very strong, guys. We're around 65,000 USD, which means money is not leaving the market. Money is buying the dip. So looking at the S&P 500 right now, what am I looking at? I'm pretty bullish on the S&P 500 right now. Me personally, what's the best buy, right? What's the best level we're looking at to buy? A great level to be buying is going to be towards the lows of Friday. And then if we're going to break in that, 492.50. I honestly think between 492 and 492.50, we are going to get a massive move. We most likely will gap up tomorrow, just looking at Bitcoin. So I didn't swing anything, but we are bullish. So when do you start getting extremely bullish? 500 support. Do not be swinging calls until 500 is support. Once 500 is support on the 5-minute time frame, SPY is going to rip. We will most likely make a lower high. I'm not bullish to new highs, but I am bullish the way SPY is right now. We have dropped from 524 we've dropped $20 on SPY from the highs to right now in and around 20 points, right? So looking at SPY's past history, every 20-point drop, we get a lower high and then we get a lower low. Keep this in mind. Going forward till tomorrow and the rest of the week, what's the first thing I do on Sundays? I look at SPY's closing price, $495.16. The first thing we're going to do is set the previous closing price at $495.16. Bam. I make it a dotted line, I make it a little bit bigger, and I make it red. So I know that this is the previous close right now. $495.16. This is going to be the make or break it. The trend is changing. The dips are not being bought. So that's how you know a trend shift has changed it. So when can we start getting bullish, and how long do we continue saying bearish? You're playing our key levels. The first thing I like to do in the mornings, I put a line at the high of the day. I put a line at the bottom of the day. I put the line at previous close, and then I'm looking for supports and resistances, floors and ceilings over the past 5 days in that range. And those are the levels I am scalping at. As of right now, SPY extremely bearish. Lower highs, lower lows. So until we get a break of structure to the upside, we are bearish. So keep that in mind. As much as I think we can go back up to the mid 500s, right now we are bearish. You follow the trend, you stay with the trend, you watch the higher time frames. We have not had a bounce yet. We've not had a break of structure to the upside. Where's the break of structure to the upside? 500 support. 500 support is still the make or break it level. We ended up coming up and retesting it on Friday, and this is where I got 500 puts. These things almost 7x'd. 7x from the high of the day to where we closed at. You take that in. I did not hold that long. We sell the move, guys. I still made thousands of dollars. I'm completely happy. And this is what I try to tell my mentees and the people in my Discord. Guys, we don't look at back of the chart and look how much you could have made. Be consistent with the trading you are doing. Sell the move at all times. Take your profits. Over 1 year, 12 months, sniping the move and selling the move, quick scalps in and out, will pay more than the big trend days. I promise you that. I've been there. I've done that. I've made 6 figures, lost 6 figures. Made 7 figures. I have not lost 7 figures because I learned my lesson from losing 6 figures. Do what you are good at. Specialize in one thing. Options or futures, right? Specialize in, if you're doing options, same days, 3 days out, 1 week out. You need to master a craft. Stop dabbling in different sectors. Stop trying to do a million different things. Get good at one thing. I get good, and I'm very good at 3 days out. I make money consistently every single day. Why? I do the same thing every single day. And yes, there are losses that come with that. I'm okay with that, and you guys need to be okay with that too, because losing is a part of trading. That is a part of trading, but continuously losing is a choice. We do not want that. You want to fix what you are doing wrong. You want to master one craft to the point where you don't even care what stock it is, you can make money. You don't care if Apex goes under, you can make money in options trading. This is what you need to do. Master one craft, guys. So, moving forward to tomorrow, guys, we have 500 support, make or break it. I'm looking at the levels right now. 496, heavy resistance. Add 496. I do not know where we're going to open tomorrow. Obviously, do not have a crystal ball, but 500, make or break level. 496, make or break level. Back to 498, right here, make or break level. And then 499, make or break level. So watch the 5-minute time frames. Look for ceilings and floors developing. Watch for the break and the retest. You buy the retest. You don't buy the break. You wait for it to retest. If we break up or we break down, wait for it to retest to get into the puts. Wait for the confirmation. Set your alerts. A lot of people in America are not used to being able to trade all day, right? You guys are used to cash accounts. Funded accounts let you trade all day. Funded accounts are meant for you to fail unless you know how to beat them. And how to beat them is making your money for the day and leaving. Remember that. Make your money and leave. Apex is meant for you to fail. Make your money and leave. If you're sitting there all day, you're going to get green. It's inevitable. And you're going to be red. That's inevitable. That's going to happen. Learn to snipe the best levels possible, sell the move, and close it down for the day. It's not complicated. This is how you be a successful trader. This is how the successful traders trade. Look at me. My Discord knows me. I'm live streaming at 9:20 Eastern time, 10 minutes before market open, and I'm done before 11 a.m. I'm done. And they don't see me until the next day. We do have people in Discord live all day. We got Dimitri and Gundy guys. Those guys are professionals, just as good as me. They all make bread, right? They all make a lot of money, guys. But the way I trade is I've learned from my past mistakes. I get green and I stop trading. The more I trade and overtrade is the more money I lose. Stick to the key levels at all times. My name is Steven. I'm also known as Sniper, guys. I run the Daily Sniper. If you would like to take advantage of our discount right now, guys, link is in the bio. Give me 30 days. 30 days, I will teach you how to trade properly. 60 days, I will teach you how to make money for the rest of your life. The link is in the bio. Thank you, everyone, for watching these videos. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, and that is it for me. Take care, everyone.